and welcome to another edition of Get Handy Now. I always like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video and to learn something that you may already know, may not know, something that we can help you with as you're getting handy now. What we're doing today is we have a client here in Orlando that wants us to repair the water problems with their garage. We have to replace the shiplap, and then we also have to correct both of the garage door entries. These are not doors that roll up, but they open as a bifold door, and we are going to repair the doors so that they are fully functional. As you can see on these doors, the hinges are rusting. Right here you can see the rust. They are warping up here, and some of the hinges, like this one right here, has broken due to rust. And you can see this one over here, which is fully broken due to rust. So what we're going to do is we're going to correct the way that the doors sit with the hinges. We are going to add some border trim, or picture frame as you might know it as. We're going to picture frame the doors on the inside, picture frame the doors on the outside to cover up the hinges, and we are going to correct the door warping without replacing the actual door itself. The other thing that we're going to do is this style of siding on the garage is called shiplap. Like a ship and you run a lap. Shiplap. So when you install shiplap, you start at the top and work your way down. When you replace shiplap, you start at the bottom where anything is damaged, and you work your way up because it tucks inside of the piece on top of it. On the shiplap, on the garage, you can see that the bottom piece right here, or what should be here, is already fallen off. The next shiplap is rotted. I could probably pull it off with my hand, like it's not secure at all. So this is water damage onto the wooden pieces of shiplap. Shiplap, unfortunately, is not pressure treated. It is just the production wood style, and you have to make sure that you waterproof the boards. The client did not, and everything's rotting out. You have some trim around the door where it's also rotting out. So we're going to replace this 1x6 as well as replacing the shiplap. The door itself, from water coming down off the roof, is hitting and bouncing up, and over time it has rotted the door out. So we're going to replace the door for the client as well. Now if you want to walk down and see, well, I'm going to walk down. You just have to sit there. The shiplap on the bottom is coming loose, and you can see in to the garage where the shiplap should be keeping rodents out, insects, pests, water, snakes, whatever. We are in Florida, so you have a possibility of having all those animals come into the garage when you have no protection from the siding that you use. So we're going to replace that. All the shiplap that is rotted, we're going to replace it, and we'll show you how to do that. Stay tuned.